Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money with Zelle in your Bank of America. So first of all, head over to your Bank of America application. Now once done, get logged into your account, then tap on Pay and Transfer at the bottom page. You will see a page like this. In here, you will see various options, but select Zelle at the middle section. Now under Zelle, you will see Pay Request. Tap Pay. And likewise, if you have not added or if this is your first time, you will be required to add a new contact. Simply add new person or company. And the process of adding new contact is very simple. Fill out these forms, tap on Next. And lastly, after you have added your information, you will see a page like this. Here, make sure the account numbers are correct. And once you do that, tap on I agree. Follow the on-screen prompt, then you will be able to transfer money with Zelle via your Bank of America app. So guys, this is all for today's video. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.